How to turn off auto dubbing on YouTube mobile. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, we're going to look at how you can easily turn off the auto dubbing feature on YouTube mobile. The first thing you want to do is open up YouTube application, go to the video where you want to turn off auto dubbing. So if I just play a little bit of this video, as you can see here, it's going to be played in Chinese. So what you want to do is basically simply go ahead and change the settings. In order to change the settings, you just tap on the screen, tap on the gear icon at the top right, and then here you'll find something called audio track. It's currently set to Chinese, but if you don't see the audio track here, tap on more, and then here you'll find the audio track. So what I'll do is just go to the audio track option, and then you can change it to any language you want. So I'll just go to English original, and then if I play the video, it's going to be on English. And that's how you can basically turn off the auto dubbing feature on YouTube mobile. Currently, there is no way to permanently turn it off. If it keeps turning back on, you are going to have to manually turn it off every time for now. Now, if YouTube brings out the new feature to turn it off permanently for all of the videos, we'll be the first one to let you know. So be sure to stay subscribed to our channel, turn on the bell icon to get notified about those kind of videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.